Hi, so in this quick tutorial we'll see how we can design mind map effectively and very easily even if you are a beginner. Okay, so for that purpose we need to use a tool, any tool. So in this tutorial we'll use this tool over here. So once just I will add the link in the description and then you will be landed on this page over here. Basically it's a software. Okay, you need to download and then you can use it offline. So then you should click on the map icon. Okay, so once you will click on the map, this is the dashboard over here. From here you can manage and create beautiful mind maps very easily. Okay, so you can see you will have some options in this top left side. I hope you are able to find the options. Okay, and from using these options and this blank dashboard canvas over here, you can create mind maps. Okay, so let's get started with that part. So now what you can do, you can see we have some branches, 4 branches in 4 different colors. Okay, so we have this blue, yellow, purple and red. Okay, and we have center, at the center we have this main focus area, center part, and if you notice we have some plus signs also. Okay, you can see we have plus sign and drop down as well. Okay, similarly 3 plus signs in this left side and 3 right, and we have 1 drop down over here. Okay, I hope you are able to view the options and all the signs. So now once you will click, you will be able to write some text over here. Okay, so you can see inside this box you can write any text you want. Okay, for example, biology concept, chemistry mind map, okay, or teachers day mind map, whatever concept you have you can write in the center part. Then we have some branches, 4 branches. So in this orange branch or the yellow branch, what you can do, we can write use, means what is the use case, okay, for us. Then this tool is great for then organize. Okay, similarly enhance. So whatever you want, in your case you can write. Once you will hover to that branch, you will get plus sign, and there you can add more branches, means sub branches. Okay, under use cases, color, images, keywords. Okay, then this tool is great for composition, note taking, revision. Okay, and each sub branch you can add more categories. Okay, simply you need to hover and click on that branch so that you will get the plus icon. Click on the plus and you can add more branches under sub branch. Okay, so brainstorming, planning, okay, under composition, fully customizable and extendable. Okay, based on your requirement you can do that. So under organize we have ideas, information, research. Enhance we have memory, creativity, focus. And you can see at the center part, once you click on that, you will have plus icons, okay, both sides. So from there also you can add more branches if you want. So you can see you have the branches ready. So similarly in this way, once it is ready, you can click on this outline section over here left hand side so that you can view the outline section. Okay, so in this way you can create beautiful mind maps as per your requirement. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, how you can create mind maps easily. Basically this is a design thinking process. Okay, so using this tool you can organize, structure and communicate with the ideas very effectively. Okay, and I would request you to watch our, we have lots of tutorials we have published on design, web design on WordPress, Photoshop, Canva tutorials. This will definitely help you. Okay, and you be with us and please subscribe this channel, it will motivate us, and like this video. So take care, bye bye.